Assalamu alaikum. Today is our final last lecture and we will close our topic till we did in last lecture. In this lecture I will give you your final presentation topic, and first I will tell you what will be the topic, then how you have to make the presentation, and finally I will tell you about the submission. So remember we did one, I think in online week 11 we did a topic related to human resource management, and inside that topic there was a leadership lecture in which we discussed 6 type of leaderships. That was visionary, coaching, affiliative, democratic, pace setting, or commanding. So actually our final presentation, first I was thinking it should be a group presentation, but because it's not convenient for all students to get together and make presentation and do some group discussions, so it will be better I give you small topic for individual presentations. So your presentation is related to the leadership. What you have to do is that you have to go through all these types of leaderships, read them, that what these leaders are actually uh, are, what is visionary leader, what is a coaching leader, and after reading this you have to ask yourself that which type of leader you are or which type of leader you want to be in future in IT industry. So you individual, everyone have to make its separate presentation, and what you have to do in your presentation is you have to cover these 4 points in your presentation. So what are these points? One by one I told you. First point is what type of IT project management leadership you like. You have to read all these types of leadership, and in 2 to 3 slides of PPT you have to tell that which type of IT project management leadership you like, and you have to give reasons then that why you like this type of leadership. Second point that you have to cover is what type of IT project management leader you actually are, because when you will read all types of leadership you will come to know that each leader have specific type of qualities. So you also know your quality, so you can compare that from all those types of leadership which is actually which qualities lies inside you. So first question was that you have to tell which type of leadership you like and why, you have to give reason. Second, you have to then tell that which type of leader qualities are inside you from those mentioned above. Now after describing that, on the third point you have to tell that why you think you are this type of leader. That is, I think, related with second. When you will tell that what type of IT project leader you actually are and why you think you are, you have to give reason for this also. Like in the first type, what type of IT project management leadership you like, you have to give reasons. So in the third, why you think you are this type of leader, which type, this second type. In second type, because you will tell you my qualities are related or similar to which type of leader, and why you think, you have to give some examples, you have to give some type of points that my qualities are this and this, that's why I am similar to this type of leadership. And in the final thing, what type of leader you want to be in future, because it's not compulsory that if you have a quality of a democratic leadership that you also want to be. No, sometimes you have qualities of a democratic leadership but you don't want to be a democratic, you want to be a coaching leader. So in the final point you have to tell this, what type of leader you want to be in future in IT industry and what skills you need to improve for becoming the IT leader. For example, if you said that I have a qualities of a democratic leader, but I want to be a coaching leader in the future. So you have to tell the points that okay, democratic leader is lacking of these qualities which coaching leader should are having. So I have to improve my these number of qualities. So you have to give the points for that. So these are the 4 points you have to put in your PPTs. Once again I tell you, in first point you have to tell you which type of leadership you like. In second, what type of leader qualities you actually have. In the third, why you think those qualities are inside you. You can give some point because in some projects I did this. Whenever I get some projects or some work or some assignment, I do this type of leadership, or I do this type of work. So this is resemble to the democratic or coaching leadership. So you have to give some point. And in the final, you have to tell that which type of IT project leader you want to be in the future, and what qualities are required for that, and what qualities you need to improve inside you to become that type of leader. After you make the presentation, then submission should be in these 5 steps. First step will be, after making presentation, you have to record audio or video presentation. Audio presentation means like lecture I am recording now. My this lecture is an audio PPT lecture. Why audio? Because you can see the PPT and you can hear my voice. But if it was a PPT video recording, then in the side corner of this screen there will be my video also. So it depends on you. When you record your voice, you can record video or voice on the PPT, but there should be voice or video on the PPT recording. How you will record? There are lot of recording software. Mostly I record from my Mac. So if you are using Mac, then you can use from the Apple Store. You can download. But today I am using this Windows laptop because most of the students are having Windows. So for this Windows laptop, I can show you. You can download this Bandicam software, and from this you can record your screen recording with the audio. Second thing is, your presentation should be minimum 5 minutes. Presentation can be longer than 5 minutes, but not more than 10 minutes. But minimum 5 minutes. It should not be less than 5 minutes. When you complete your presentation, you can send your that video that recorded PPT on my email address, that is this raokashi@ieee.org. So here you have to take care of one thing, because sometimes writing my this email address, you no need to write Kashif, Kashif. No need to write F, because it is Rao Kashi, not Kashif. So don't send on the wrong email address. What it's written, just send on this. Deadline for submission is 15th January. So still you have 5, 6 and 8 days, a week. It's quite enough. If you want, you can also complete in this weekend, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, but before 15 Jan. After 15 January, no presentation will be accepted. When I will receive your presentations, I will upload those presentations on YouTube, and the top 3 presentations will be selected. How I will select those top 3 presentations? Presentations having most viewed or most liked, both will be checked. Most probably will be most viewed. So most viewed 3 top presentation I will check. I will also check the quality of your presentation, because only the presentation which I think are according to the standard or they are extraordinary, only those presentations will be uploaded. Because for example, in class now you are 30 students, 60 students, so not all 60 will be uploaded. You will get your sessional marks, but the top 5 will be uploaded, and from those top 5